Hi you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Malari and in today's video we'll be exploring Matunga. Right now we are at Amba Bhavan and I want to try their coffee house since this is their speciality here. Try kar? Yeah, I want to have fika first because I want that caffeine energy. Khali pet coffee video, it's so good. See, coffee made me happy in one sip. I'm already dancing. Sitna hi cute. I have crossed this temple multiple times, but this time I was like, I have to visit it, and it was so magical. It was super early in the morning, everyone was here, they were offering, they were praying, and the vibrations were definitely high. I'm here in one of these beautiful flower shops that is opposite Ramashray, which is very close to the station, and here they literally have so many beautiful flowers that you can offer to God or just buy for yourself, and these literally smell so fresh, especially the gajras that they have right here. Wala bhi gajra hi hai na bhaiya? I'll take pink and this. ये भी same. और ये वाला? So fresh. Should I take this one or should I take this one?
तूने पेन लाई है सिर में डालने के लिए?
हाँ. Thank you भैया.
Or you want round?
Round how you'll do? Yeah, round looks better. But how will you make me wear it? दो ही है. पिन लगा. बराबर है. ऐसा ही होता है. ओके. मेरे
खाली मोगरे का 40 रुपीज़ है, बाकी 30 रुपये एक.
30 रुपये एक, 50 का दो. ठीक है. दी हुई वो. I have some beautiful flowers in my hair and a girl just complimented me and she came and told me, you look so pretty. So Ramashray was one of the very first South Indian cafes in Matunga that I had come to visit with my mom, and this is like the best place ever. There are 2 or 3 I think, but this is like the oldest one. There's one ahead as well towards the station. What I love here is their idli. I think I had tried the podi idli when I came here last time. Right now we have to wait. Now if you're waiting in line for the Ramashray cafe, you can also visit this tea and coffee shop called Quality. So they just sell grounded tea and coffee obviously, and I asked like what is the minimum price that you can just get tea and coffee for if you want to try, and that was 100 rupees. So maybe if you're interested in some freshly grounded coffee from like a authentic local brand, you can go for this place. This is literally floating in ghee, and we thought that it's sambar when it came pehle, but it's literally all ghee. Let's have a bite.
Mouth melt.
It's so buttery, nutty, and there's a lot of ghee in it. A lot. This is my first time trying pineapple sheera. I have never ever tried this before. Nice. I hope they haven't added like essence in this, but this tastes really good otherwise. Essence nahi hoga na isme. But it's really good. The ghee is there. There's a lot of ghee.
Nanu's favorite.
Oh my god, Nanu ko khana tha ye. Guys, one thing you cannot miss is their Mysore Sada Jain Dosa. Literally go for the Jain Dosa because my mind was blown. They added some type of red masala with dry desiccated coconut inside. Trust me, it did not taste anything like coconut. The ghee was so good, and literally I've never had such a yummy Mysore Masala Dosa ever. On a side note, this was their menu. We had to choose from this wall right here. Next up, we also bought some incense sticks from the shop called Acharya Products. So if you didn't know, my mom is a huge agarbatti fan because she loves offering it to God as well as for our household use. The shop is very old. They have multiple locations. We wanted to see if they have some different stock right here. So we just came to visit the shop in Matunga.
सब मैं बुलेट शर्ट से लेती हूँ नया दिखाओ ना मम्मी I like this one दोनों देख के बराबर this one is food must this is बकू ये गूगल में not this
I don't live in an area where I have access to like fresh mitti, so I had a chance, so I just grabbed it and got some fresh mitti to, you know, put my saplings into like a new pot.
थोड़ा सा राउंड ले ना मम्मी ऐसे राउंड ये वाला राउंड
Now after lemon shopping, we were just lost in the lanes and we just kept walking, and I literally came across this beautiful calf who was tied to this tree, which was very sad, but she was fed, and I'm guessing someone was on their way to pick her up from here. But she was so cute and I'm so glad that I got to meet her.
looks like a heart
At this point, this video should be titled My Favorite Filter Coffee Spots in Matunga because I've only had that.
Right now we are at Mani's Cafe. This is my most favorite South Indian cafe. They have one branch at Nariman Point also, and I go there quite often. So yeah, we're gonna have some filter coffee. That's what I love here. But let's see what else can we have because you wanna have coffee, you wanna have something else. डोसा खाने गए
If you're coming to Mumbai for the very first time and you're in Marine Drive, you can also try the Mani's Cafe there. There is one opposite the Air India building, and the filter coffee there is very yummy. I go there often because I of course can't travel to Matunga. It's a bit far, but they have this specific way of making it where they have this concoction boiling and then they separately add milk and coffee in a tumbler and then they make this foam. It's very yummy, and even their food here is really good. Like, I love Mani's Cafe anyways.
कैसे बनाने का भैया इसमें
मैडम पहले फिल्टर कॉफी डालेंगे पहले 3 चम्मच
3 चम्मच कितना
डाल दें।
बनेगा 3 चम्मच का
4-5 हो जाएगा मैडम
4-5
हाँ 3 चम्मच पहले डाल देना कॉफी डालने के बाद ये ढक्कन लगाना मैडम ढक्कन लगा थोड़ा सा ग्लास गर्म पानी लेने का गर्म पानी इधर तक भरने का मैडम ये जगह आकर के फुल नहीं चलेगा ये थिक होना होता है लिक्विड थिक होना होता है इधर तक भरने का पानी भरने के बाद ये ढक्कन लगाने का मैडम पूरा भरने का नहीं थोड़ा ओपन रखने का मैडम ये 15 मिनट ऐसा रखने का 15 मिनट बाद में उसको पुश करने का मैडम पुश करने वाले ब्लैक कॉफी आएगा आपको कैसा लगता है दूध मिक्स करना आपको स्ट्रॉन्ग मांगते ज़्यादा लिक्विड डालो लाइट मांगते तो कम डालो उसमें से ब्लैक कॉफी करने से क्या करने का लिक्विड थोड़ा ज़्यादा लेने का गर्म पानी डालने का ब्लैक कॉफी हो जाएगा
Here they were also selling 2 types of coffee, one which was instant coffee and the other one was filter coffee. The instant coffee was a bit expensive and the filter coffee was relatively cheaper.
ये सादा पैकिंग में नहीं आता भैया
कौन सा मैडम
ये इधर है
This is my 3rd cup of coffee in like 1 hour. It's not that foamy, they see it. If you're lazy, they also have this ready-made filter coffee thing and they also have this iced coffee bottles, and I honestly also got some rasam masala and some malka podi. They have some murukku here that I really like. I bought it last time. And they have these butter murukku sticks also, and then they also have this masala murukku. Then they have like this chivda and stuff. They have palak chakli, rice chakli. I have already got many of these, but if you want to try some nice South Indian snacks, I'm guessing this place has it for you. Now, remember when the Ambani spoke about their favorite Mysore cafe, which is there in Matunga? This is the exact location. Now, by now, I'd actually visited 4 to 5 cafes, and I was so full that I had no place for coffee or food, and it was really hot outside. So we just thought of grabbing like a nice nimbu pani, which was so sweet. It was literal chashni, but it was very refreshing. It was chilled. They also had ginger lime. You can have that. And when I asked the waiters what do the Ambani family have here, they usually go for idli and dosa. Again, a bookshop wherever I go, so I had to show this to you all. They have way too many beautiful and cute bookshops right here, and they also have like these nice benches where people sit, read newspapers. I feel like Matanga in itself is like a very pretty place. If you just want to feel good, you can go on like a random Sunday morning, like have a nice lazy day, just go have some breakfast, grab a book, sit on the bench, read, and like admire people. This was so beautiful, honestly. Now this shop is called Soham. If you're coming here with your mom, which I'm guessing many of my followers will after watching my video, you should definitely take your mom here. This is like a H&M version, or like a very fun shopping place version, but for your mom, because she will love everything here. Honestly, I was getting excited looking at stuff. So we got these wooden spoons for the salt and this whiskers that we saw. We also saw some nice cake tins. This shop is expensive, but the quality here is top notch. Like my mom knows the shop since years. Like it's a super old shop. They have like imported items that they get, and the quality is obviously good, and the prices are thus a bit expensive. But if you want to bring your mom here, I'm sure she will love it. They have literally everything here that you want for like baking, homeware, etc, etc. So yeah, I got a nice baking bread tin for myself and a few more essentials from here. And there you go, guys, it's finally also giveaway time. I'm so glad that I get to give something back to one special person, and you can just follow the description details and just see what the rules are. They will be very simple, and yeah, one lucky winner gets all of these products.